And welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, the ongoing drought is wreaking havoc in sections of rural St. Andrew as coffee farmers struggle to access water.
Coupled with the intense heat, the drought has caused a major delay in coffee beans maturing, with some drying up.
Kalisha Williams has that story.
The heat is on, and the usually cool valleys of the Blue Mountains are now scorched. With extremely low rainfall over the past few months, farmers are already feeling the pinch.
I have some water coming from a spring up the top, and the spring dry up like in 2 weeks. In like we're in July now. In June, I start getting a little bit dripping. I know it's all gone. So I would have to go get bucket to go to the river to get water to water them. It's so much.
So much that it's almost killing everything in its path, from corn to peppers, and most importantly, the so-called green gold, coffee. The farmers tell us the coffee plants have been feeling the effects of the drought and heat from early May.
In this time, coffee used to ripe from July, August, September.
So what is causing it not to ripe?
Well, lack of rainfall, because the berry cannot develop. And even if you see them ripe, they are not good.
That's because the heat has also been forcing some of the beans to mature early. And due to the lack of rainfall, pests have also been plaguing the crops.
When they enter the coffee at that stage, if your time more hotter, the coffee grain more softer, and they survive more on the softness of it. When you have rain, then the rain can wash them off or kill them easily.
So once the drought persists, those bugs will continue to infest the beans and could potentially wipe out hundreds of pounds of coffee beans in weeks. The government has allocated $350 million for drought mitigation over the past few weeks, with $100 million set aside for farmers to facilitate drip irrigation and water trucking. However, for the farmers in the hills of St. Andrew, more help is needed.
Make the water, we have the water, but it is not available to the farmer. We have water here. And if you take the water from up in the hills, from side Penline Castle coming down into the community, everybody, even the people in them home, can do a little backyard farming.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.